Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take up the topic electric motor. Uh, so let us start with electric motor. Electric motor utilizes the magnetic effect of current, and a motor works on the principle that when a rectangular coil is placed in a magnetic field and current is passing through it, a force acts on the coil which rotates it continuously. That on that principle the electric motor is based. Okay, so I will explain one by one. First, I will take up the construction of electric motor, then I will explain the working of electric motor. Okay, so when coil rotates, the shaft attached to it also rotates. Okay, and in this way the electrical energy, if it rotates, then electrical energy it's converted into mechanical energy. So an electric motor is a rotating, is also can be defined as a rotating device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So this is also one of the definition. So now we'll move towards the construction of an electric motor. So this is a construction. An electric motor consists of a rectangular coil, that is ABCD, of insulated copper wire which is mounted between the poles of permanent magnet. Okay, and the two ends of the coil, these are the two ends of the coil, are soldered or welded permanently to the two halves, this one X and Y. Okay, XY, two halves of the two half rings X and Y of a commutator. Now this is called commutator. Now what is commutator? Commutator is a device which reverses the direction of current through a circuit. Okay, and it is nothing but it is a copper ring split into two parts. Copper ring split into two parts. That is it is shown in the picture XY. This one and this one. Okay, these two parts are insulated. These two parts are insulated from one another and mounted on a shaft of the motor. Okay, so commutator is a device which reverses the direction of current through a circuit, and the inner sides of these halves are insulated and attached to a axle. This is axle, and the external conducting edges, that is P and Q, touch two conducting stationary brushes X and Y. Okay, and the function of commutator rings is to reverse the direction of current flowing through the coil every time the coil just passes vertically. Means coil जब vertically आएगा तब वो change हो जाए, reverse कर देगा the direction of the current. Okay, so अभी it is from this to this, and when it is goes to vertically, I will explain with the help of that one video. And when it comes on vertically, then the direction of current will change. So direction of current in that case it will be from this to this. Okay, now the function of this carbon brush is to make contact with the rotating rings of the commutator, this one. These यहाँ पे दो ब्रशेस हैं X और Y, ठीक है, X और Y, and the function of this brushes is to make contact with the rotating rings of the commutator and through them to supply current to the coil. Okay, now we will discuss the working of but before going to start the working, because the electric motor is completely based on the principle of Fleming's left hand rule. ठीक है, एक बार फिर से recapitulate कर लेते हैं Fleming's left hand rule. So this is my left hand and I have to keep like that. Okay, so I already explained in the previous session FBI, or father, mother, child. F for force, and B for magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field, and this is I for current. So FBI, or you can remember father, mother, child for current. Okay, so what we will do, we will put our forefinger in the direction of magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field, and this we will keep in the direction of current, and this will give the direction of force. Okay, so When a current carrying wire is placed in magnetic field, a force is exerted on the wire. ओके, फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल जो है हम लोग फोर्स का डायरेक्शन के लिए हम लोग एक्चुअल में यूज करते हैं, एंड इट इज यूज्ड इन द वर्किंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर. Fleming gave a simple rule to determine the direction of force acting on a current carrying wire placed in a magnetic field, and this rule is called Fleming's left hand rule. See, this is forefinger gives the direction of magnetic field, and the center finger gives the direction of current, and thumb will give the direction of force. So what we will do, we will hold our forefinger, center and thumb in such a way that these three are mutually perpendicular to each other, and adjust our hand in such a way that forefinger points in the direction of magnetic field, and the center finger points in the direction of current, and then the thumb will give the direction of force acting on the conductor. So acting on that rectangular coil. Rectangular coil is for our conductor. Okay. So now let us discuss the working of electric motor. So when an electric current is passing into a rectangular coil, this current produces a magnetic field around the coil. Okay, because of that, the force will act on it. So the working of an electric motor is based on the fact that the current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field around it. Okay, so this is the structure, and on pressing the key button, when we press the key button, switch button, switch को जब on करेंगे, then current from this battery will flow through this coil through carbon brush P, and it will flow in this direction. इस डायरेक्शन पे फ्लो होगा. ठीक है, और मैग्नेटिक का जो डायरेक्शन है वो नॉर्थ से साउथ की तरफ रहेगा, दिस डायरेक्शन, एंड करंट का डायरेक्शन इस तरफ रहेगा. ओके, सो ऑन प्रेसिंग द स्विच, करंट फ्रॉम बैटरी enters the coil through carbon brush P and commutator half ring X. The current flows in the direction of A, B, C, D and leaves via ring Y and brush Q. Okay, so I will explain with the help of one visualizing video. So let us start with let the button is pressed, then current is flowing through the coil ABCD. Okay, right, and the current will flow from A to B from here and C to D from here, right? Okay, in the side AB of the rectangular coil ABCD, the direction is from A to B, and in the side CD of the coil, the direction of current is C to D. The direction which is opposite to the direction of the current in side AB. AB का जो direction है उससे थोड़ा ये opposite है. Okay, now the direction of magnetic field, as just I told that it will be from north to south, and by applying Fleming's left hand rule we can find the direction of force. So when a current carrying conductor is placed in an electric magnetic field, it experiences a force, and the direction of force, we will use Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, so this is the direction of magnetic field. So what we will do, we will keep in the direction of like that. ठीक है, ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन हो गया और ये करंट का डायरेक्शन हो गया, और द फोर्स, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ थंब इज डाउनवर्ड. And in case of CD, the direction of this is the direction of field, and this is the direction of current, and this is the direction of force. So ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा CD. So it is clear. See, I repeat once again. This is the direction of field. This is the direction of current. So this is the force, direction of force. So ये AB के ऊपर आएगा तो AB नीचे की ओर जाएगा, right? अब हम लोग अगर डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट मेरी तरफ है, so CD means it is towards me. Okay, and this is the direction of magnetic field. So the direction of force is upward. तो CD जो है वो ऊपर की ओर आएगा, तो ऐसे घूमेगा, right? So force on CD is upward, force on AB is downward. So it will rotate, और जब वो एकदम वर्टिकली आएगा तब क्या होगा, तो ये जो है, ये जो कम्यूटेटर है, दैट विल रिवर्स द करंट, द रिवर्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट. सो ए बी में जो डायरेक्शन था वो रिवर्स हो जाएगा, बी से ए की ओर आ जाएगा. ओके, ए सी डी सी से डी की ओर था डायरेक्शन, अभी डी से सी की ओर आ जाएगा, और ए टू बी था डायरेक्शन करंट का, और बी टू ए आ जाएगा. तो अब अगेन इफ वी अप्लाई द फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल, सो ए बी ऊपर जाएगा और सी डी नीचे आएगा. सो ये प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूस चलता रहेगा, एंड दिस this is done by nothing but this is done by commutator. So commutator is a very important part of electric motor. These commutators are used to reverse the direction of current. So vertical जब आ जाएगा तो डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाएगा, करंट का डायरेक्शन A to B था B to A हो जाएगा. सो जिसकी वजह से वो फिर से रोटेट करेगा. सो ये कंटिन्यूस चलता रहेगा, and we'll get the complete rotation. Okay, right. So now the direction of current is reversed. Again, the direction of force on CD is now downward, the direction of AB is upward. फिर से रोटेट हुआ, सेम रूल, लेफ्ट हैंड रूल अगर अप्लाई करेंगे तो सो AB ऊपर जाएगा और CD नीचे आएगा, राइट. द CD विल कम डाउन. CD का डायरेक्शन ये है, देखो, दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. सो फोर्स CD नीचे आ गया, और दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ AB. सो ये हर एक हाफ साइकिल में ये रिवर्स होता जाएगा, एंड रिवर्सिंग द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट एवरी हाफ रोटेशन विल गिव द कंटिन्यूस रोटेशन. सो वो कंटिन्यूस घूमता जाएगा. सो इस तरह से इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी जो है मैकेनिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ विल सी द थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट. The current in the coil ABCD enters from the source battery through conducting brushes, brush X, and flows back to the battery through the brush Y. Notice that the current in arm AB of the coil flows from A to B, and in the arm CD it flows from C to D. That is the direction opposite to the direction of current through arm AB. Okay. And on applying Fleming's left hand rule for the direction of force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field, we find that the force acting on arm pushes it downward. See, the current, the direction of current, ये direction of magnetic field है और ये direction of current है. So direction of current को मैं AB के इस तरफ रख रहा हूँ, and this is the direction of magnetic field. So my thumb will give the direction of the force. सो ए बी को कहाँ पुश करेगा, डाउनवर्ड में, राइट. उसके बाद सी डी का जो डायरेक्शन है सी से डी मेरी तरफ है, एंड दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, एंड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ माई थंब इज अपवर्ड. तो सी डी जो है, द आर्म सी डी पुशेस इट अपवर्ड्स. ओके, thus the coil and axle are mounted free to turn about an axis and rotate anti-clockwise. Okay. And now at half rotation, Q makes contact with the brush X and P with brush Y. Therefore, the current in the coils gets reversed, and also reverse the direction of force acting on the two arms AB and CD. अगर रिवर्स हो गया, सो AB ऊपर जाएगा, क्योंकि AB पहले, इससे पहले नीचे आ रहा था. नाउ रिवर्स, करंट का डायरेक्शन रिवर्स होने की वजह से AB ऊपर आएगा और CD फिर नीचे आएगा. तो ये ऐसे चलता रहेगा. Thus the arm AB of the coil was earlier pushed down is now pushed up, and the arm CD previously pushed up is now pushed down. Therefore the coil and the axle rotate half a turn more in the same direction. The reversing of the current repeatedly at each half rotation, giving rise a continuous rotation of the coil and to the axle. So I repeat once again. So AB जो coil है, उस पे अगर हम लोग Fleming's left hand rule यूज करेंगे, so कुछ ऐसे आएगा. This is the direction of current, magnetic field. So AB नीचे आ गया, and this is the position of CD ऊपर आ गया. अभी after half rotations AB will come here and the direction of current will change, मेरी तरफ आएगा. So AB फिर से ऊपर आ गया और CD नीचे आ गया. So ये process चलता रहेगा and we'll get the complete rotation. In this way the electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. So this is the description of the construction and working of electric motor. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.